Complicated question from a modern divorce support group. Very important if you have special needs children. I have full custody of our 2 kids. We share 50-50 legal. I have final say for medical. Dad doesn't see the kids very often. He lives 20 minutes away, but the kids are special needs, so he doesn't see them. Our son is disabled with cognitive delays and is nonverbal. Our daughter has a medical condition. Due to Dad's lack of involvement, I have final medical say. He reached out recently and said he wanted to spend more time with the kids. I said, awesome. The kids came home. My brother said the kids came home and my daughter said he introduced them to a new brother that is very sick, and he took the kids to get their blood drawn. I immediately called him because A, who's the kid? And B, why are you taking them to get their blood drawn without me? He recently found out that he has a son who from a prior relationship, and the boy, 17, has leukemia. After a DNA test proved that he was the father, they asked him to get tested to see if he was a match for a bone marrow transplant, and he's not. That's why he got the kids tested. I am so upset that he did this behind my back. My son is a match. Dad said that he needs to donate, but I said he doesn't get a say because I have a final medical say. He said it falls under 50-50 decision making. This is a painful procedure, and my son is not going to understand. He can't consent. I know I might seem like an AH, but I have to think about my children first. Can a judge make my son donate? Hello, Billy Tarasio, Arizona family law attorney. This has come up. There is case law on this very subject. Can a child be made to donate bone marrow over the objections of another parent? Now, there's no case law in Arizona, but there is case law. The courts make this decision based on the best interest of the child. There is case law out of Illinois with a similar situation where there's an unknown brother and the court did not make the child donate and sided with the parents who was against donation. However, in a case where they were identical twins, the court found that it was in that child's best interest to donate to their identical twin. In those cases, the courts talked about what was the existing relationship between the child and the other sibling, but also in this case, your child is nonverbal and cannot consent, and that is going to be a factor that weighs against this being in their best interest. This is a complicated issue where you need to find a lawyer that specializes in family law and special needs children. At Modern Law, that's Malia Woodward. She focuses on kids with autism, kids who are nonverbal, special needs circumstances, and you're going to want to find somebody with that type of background to help you.